Janet's prom was coming up. She already bought her dress. It was a long purple dress with diamond sequins. She needed to buy a necklace first. She wanted something bold. She wanted it to stand out. She saw a lot of necklaces. None of them felt right. Then she saw a beautiful diamond necklace. It had diamonds in the shapes of flowers. She knew this was the one. She also had to get earrings and bracelets. She decided to get matching ones with the necklace. She got small flower studs for earrings and a bracelet with a flower diamond charm. She was happy with her jewelry. She got them on sale, too.